Hey guys, RTT back here for the video, guys. Today we are unboxing the brand new Airtags. Now, honestly, when I first heard about this, I didn't know what to think about it. It was like, okay, it's interesting, but I don't know if I'm gonna pick it up. And then I kind of looked more into it, and I was like, okay, this actually looks kind of cool. So I wanted to give it a try, kind of see how big this is and everything like that. You guys are new to what this is, pretty much. It's a little device. You can either get this in one pack of $30 or four for $99. And pretty much what this is you can put this on your keys, your bag, your keep with your phone. You can put it anywhere you want, and it actually will go ahead and kind of use like a GPS tracker to keep track of that item. So for example, if you have your keys and you can put it on your keys, which actually lets you be able to, keep track of your keys and know where your keys are at all times. It's a really cool concept, very easy and simple. Let's go ahead and see how small this is, because honestly, it looks small as molasses, and I kind of think it's going to be small as molasses. So it looks like there's a little pull tab at the bottom here. Yep. I was gonna say, Apple always has like the little pull tab they like to use. So, okay, hang on. Oh, this is weird. Okay, this is definitely, this is un-Apple type of packaging. Okay. I mean, yeah, okay, there we go. That's weird. Usually Apple is very simple and awesome with their packaging, but definitely interesting there. Okay, so, starting off right away, a small box, nothing too special inside. You get a little instruction manuals in different languages in case you do not speak English. And you open this up, as you guys can see right here, it does say update to the latest iOS software. It does use Bluetooth in order to use this. And of course, right over here, it does say hold near your device. And that is pretty much it. So let's take this out. This is so freaking small. Wow. I didn't know what I expected the size to be, but I would definitely say I was not expecting it to be this small. Now, the second you go ahead and take that out, you activate it. So now it is activated. That little pull tab is inside. But guys, I'm gonna show you real fast. This is what it is. Absolutely tiny as molasses, and a very, very cool device. Now, I'm gonna use this over the next couple weeks, and I'm gonna put back to you guys on, like, hey, do I like it? Do I hate it? That kind of good stuff. But, I mean, you can put this in your wallet. You can put this in anywhere you want. It's a very simple, easy little thing to slide in. 1 second, guys. So, for example, I have my wallet right here. If you wanted to, you just slide that right into your wallet just like that. Bam. And now I know my wallet is at all times because of this little Airtag. So, again, I actually have an unboxing sometime soon of like a little case for this, because you can put this on a case. You can go ahead and strap it to your bag, your book bag, wherever you want to. It's very easy and simple, but at the same time, very, very convenient. So guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Do you love it? Do you hate it? I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.